What is going on, Real Bite TV? So today, oh, I'm at low fuel. Today we're going to be shooting a 50 Beowulf at the gun range for the first time. I hope everything goes well. Due to the lack of shortage of rounds, I only brought about 12, 15 rounds or so out of my like 30 that I own, because you gotta order stuff online and it takes a long time to come. So we're only gonna get about 12 or so shots out of the Beowulf. And I picked up my Glock 19, Glock 17. We have the Glock 17 we're gonna shoot out today, and we're gonna pick up Eddie from his house and take the gun out for the first shoot. Hope it goes well, because I'm really planning this, looking forward to this hawk hunting trip. And I gotta make sure everything works, you know, on the up and up. And yeah, so when we get to gun range, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I almost forgot, guys. I want to give you guys a big shout out, guys. We are currently at 335 subscribers, almost to 350. Pretty soon, guys, we're going to hit 400. So shout out to all my new subscribers. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Real Bite TV. And yeah, so thanks for the support, everybody. I appreciate everybody watching the videos. We're growing. We're working on editing. Working on this. Working on that. Having new projects along the way. A couple of trips I had planned out already. So thanks for sticking with us, guys. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching our channel. I really appreciate it.
But see, this is yeah, it's not the ammo.
Can I put some more? It may not be.
That's the problem with the AR though. If you get like fucking dirty. Leave it in the top of my car. Oh yeah. You gotta constantly learn. Yeah, because
What do you when it's in the bowl? Locked out. It pushes. Well, when the gas comes in here, what happens is it pushes this forward and this back. Okay?
good.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
I don't know how you do it.
It's easy.
You can do one if you want. Sure. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright guys, we're headed back to the truck. Today was a good day, Eric. Oh, It's raining. And it's raining harder. Oh. I'm getting wet, man. I'm getting wet. And close the door. Bing bong. Ugh. So we just finished shooting the 50 Beowulf. Eric's.
It was exciting. It's an exciting gun to shoot, yo.
Man, I'm not gonna lie. The first shot, I shot the gun. And I'm like, is it lightning in here?
Oh my god.
What did that flash of light? Yeah, what did that flash come from? Like, it was crazy. And the kick is like almost knocked me over the first shot. I was like, oh, because I wasn't prepared for like that type of recoil.
Right, I was prepared for the recoil, but I wasn't prepared for the muzzle flash. That muzzle flash took me.
And like it shot flames on both sides.
Oh yeah.
And then a little plastic thing kept wobbling every time that you shot the gun.
I saw that too, and that took me. Oh my god, that surprised me.
Man, that thing was fun.
That was fun. Yeah.
Like I said, that was only a 300 grain, and they come in. I think they come in 700.
Yeah,
I think it's 725 grain. I have to buy those rounds.
Oh, definitely.
Just to see what it's like. 'Cause if that was 300, imagine 700 grain. I'm gonna rock the house, Eric.
Yeah, you're gonna rock the house. Everybody's.
I'm getting tired. But yeah, guys. So today was fun. Today was a good day of shooting. All right, guys. So that's basically it of the day vlog. We had a good time. Eric, you had a good time, didn't you, man?
Great time.
We had a good time. Like I said, I only brought about 12 rounds with me because rounds are expensive for 50 Beowulf, and nobody has them in stock, Eric. It's like,
it's like
everything you have to order online, and it took me like to get those 20 rounds, 3 weeks.
I could
50 rounds, $50 for 20 rounds in 3 weeks to get here. So yeah, it just takes a while. So I bought like 12 rounds. We'll bring more next time. I got a couple more at home, but for safety, you know, just in case somebody want to run through.
Yeah.
I gotta have something at home to use. But that's it. You know what? We're gonna have you take out the vlog today. You haven't took out the vlog in a while.
Yeah, it's like, all right.
You know what? Hold on, I got you, Eric. Hold on.
All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.